Snakes. Mysterious, silent, and deadly. They've been around for millions of years, yet their true lives remain a mystery to most of us. We see them in movies, read about them in books, but we rarely get a true glimpse into their terrifyingly unique world. The world of snakes isn't just reptilian, it's pure survival. From their incredible hunting techniques to their astonishing ability to adapt, snakes are among the most successful predators on Earth. And yet, their lives are filled with dark, hidden truths that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about these creatures. So, let's step into the shadows and explore the secret life of snakes. Prepare yourself to be shocked by what you learn. 1. Snakes can live without eating for months. The ultimate survivalists. Imagine going weeks, maybe months without food. It sounds impossible for any creature to survive, right? But snakes are not just surviving, they're thriving. A snake's metabolism is shockingly slow compared to most animals. Some species, like the reticulated python, can go as long as 6 months without a meal. Why? Because their bodies are designed to conserve energy in ways most animals can't. When a snake eats, it doesn't just eat to stay full. It eats to store energy for future survival. They can actually slow down their digestion, taking in large prey, and living off it for an extended period. This unbelievable survival mechanism allows snakes to live in environments where food is scarce, making them nearly indestructible. 2. Snakes can sense heat and hunt in complete darkness. We all know that snakes are incredible hunters, but did you know they can hunt in total darkness? Thanks to their specialized organs called pit organs, snakes can detect heat from their prey. These pits, located around the snake's head, function like infrared cameras, picking up the body heat of nearby animals. It's like they have built-in night vision. This ability allows them to strike with unmatched precision, even in the dark. Whether it's a mouse hiding in the bushes or a bat flying in the night, the snake can sense its prey's location with deadly accuracy. Imagine trying to run from a predator who can see your every move, not with eyes, but with heat. 3. Venom. The ultimate weapon that comes in many forms. When we think of snakes, we often think of venom, but did you know that every venomous snake has its own unique recipe for killing? Venom is not a one-size-fits-all weapon. Different species of snakes have evolved distinct venom formulas, each tailored to their hunting style and environment. For example, the cobra's venom is designed to paralyze and immobilize its prey instantly. On the other hand, the viper's venom breaks down tissues, allowing the snake to digest its meal before it even swallows it. And that's not even the creepiest part. Some snakes can control how much venom they inject, giving them the ability to kill with precision or leave a victim in a slow, agonizing death. Venom isn't just for killing, it's a survival tool. Some snakes use their venom to protect themselves from predators, while others use it to stun prey before they consume it. But what happens when venom is used incorrectly? We'll get into that a little later, because this story gets even darker. 4. Snakes are masters of camouflage, even in plain sight. You'd think that spotting a snake would be easy. After all, they slither on the ground, and their bodies aren't exactly small. But the truth is much darker. Snakes are camouflage experts. Their scales are designed to blend into their surroundings so perfectly that they can be sitting right in front of you, and you wouldn't even notice them. Some snakes, like the eastern diamondback rattlesnake, can sit still for hours without being detected. They rely on their patterns and colors to melt into their environment. Whether it's a patch of dry desert, a green jungle, or even a leaf-covered forest floor. In fact, many snakes spend their entire lives undetected, and only strike when their prey is completely unaware. The real question isn't whether the snake is there, it's whether you'll be able to tell before it's too late. 5. Snakes have a darker side. They can be cannibals. Here's a side of snakes that most people never see: their brutal, cannibalistic behavior. While snakes usually hunt other animals, there's a darker truth. They sometimes hunt each other. Snakes, particularly larger species like pythons, are known to eat smaller members of their own kind. This behavior isn't just for survival. It's about dominance. In certain situations, a snake might become so desperate for food, or so territorial, that it will consume another snake. And the scariest part? It's not just a one-time occurrence. Snakes have been observed fighting to the death over territory, mates, and even food. Once a snake kills, it devours the victim, absorbing its strength and gaining dominance in the area. Cannibalism in snakes is not just about survival. It's a cold, calculated instinct to ensure their own survival in a brutal world. 6. Snakes can live in the most extreme environments. When we think of snakes, we often picture them in tropical jungles, deserts, or grasslands. But did you know that some snakes can survive in the most extreme conditions on Earth? The black mamba, one of the deadliest snakes in the world, can be found in hot, dry regions, while the rattlesnake thrives in desert landscapes. But what's more terrifying is that there are snakes that thrive in freezing temperatures. The European adder and the timber rattlesnake have been known to hibernate in the snow, completely inactive during the winter months. These snakes have developed an incredible tolerance for extreme cold, allowing them to survive conditions that would be fatal to most creatures. Whether it's extreme heat or freezing cold, snakes have learned to adapt, proving that they are among the most resilient animals on the planet. 7. Snakes don't just hunt for survival, they hunt for sport. While many animals hunt because they need food, snakes sometimes hunt for fun. This phenomenon, particularly seen in species like the king cobra, is a frightening truth. King cobras are known to engage in aggressive combat with other snakes, even when there's no clear benefit. These confrontations are often fatal, with one snake killing the other in an intense, drawn-out battle. The idea that snakes may not only be killing for food but also for dominance and sport adds a chilling layer to their already terrifying nature. What happens when a snake's natural instincts for survival and sport collide? We'll leave that mystery to you, but one thing is certain. Snakes are complex, and not everything they do is driven by hunger alone. The life of a snake is far darker and more complex than we can ever fully comprehend. Every moment in their existence is a battle for survival, filled with hidden dangers, unexpected tactics, and a predator's precision. The next time you encounter a snake, remember, you're witnessing the ultimate survivalist in action.